I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Just why? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see today, I will be finally uploading the wig update for Miss Outre Lana. Now, granted, I don't like, I dead pumped out a whole eyeshadow look for you guys wearing this hair straightened, and I didn't even give you an update or nothing. Like, I actually looked back on my phone to like the first couple of pictures I took wearing the wig, and that was on May 11th. So this is literally officially, because today is June 1st, which I will show you guys my phone as proof. There, you guys can barely see that, but anyways, it's June 1st, about to be June 2nd in about an hour because it's 11 o'clock at night. And I actually just got done filming a whole nother separate video that you guys are probably gonna see after I upload this one. But basically, I'm like, yo, I never did the wig update for this wig, so I'm like, you know what, before I get too comfortable, because as you guys can see, I threw on a regular t-shirt because I was dead about to take my wig off, take my makeup off, and basically knock out. But yeah, if you guys are curious to my thoughts on this wig, please don't forget to click that subscribe button first. Thumbs up the video, and definitely don't forget to share with your friends, your family members, your auntie, your uncles, everybody basically. So yeah, let's get started. So what can I say about Miss Outre Lana? Honestly guys, this is definitely like my go-to straight synthetic wig now, just because like this hair straightens so beautifully. It's not even funny. Like honestly, the only thing I really have to do is use like a bristle brush and just brush through it, and it just looks so freaking nice. Now granted, I do have to dip this hair in hot water and put a little bit of fabric softener in it, just because again, I have been wearing it for 3 weeks straight. And as a lot of you guys may know, synthetic wigs, you know, if you wear it on a regular everyday basis, the ends are gonna start looking a little crazy. Now granted, I did run my flat iron through this hair the beginning of the day, so it wasn't too bad. Now I'm gonna get into the cons and then the pros, just because, you know, why not? So basically, one of the cons I would say with this wig does shed. Now I won't say that it sheds throughout the day, but if you purposely run your hands through it or brush through it, you are gonna get a couple strands. So this hair does shed. When it comes to tangling, the main issue that I would have with the tangling is at the nape of the neck. Like honestly guys, the rest of the hair would be perfectly fine, but the nape, I don't know why, because mind you, sometimes I wear it straight back, sometimes I wear it straight forward, sometimes I wear it like this where it's like half and half, but the nape gets so tangled so fast. It's freaking insane. So I would definitely say one of the major cons I would have with this hair is the tangling at the nape of the neck. Now it's not super obvious, but if you physically go back and touch it, you're gonna feel it. Or like if you take the wig off and you're like brushing through it on a mannequin head or something, you're gonna see how the nape looks a hot mess. So I would definitely say that about that. Now granted, maybe again it's because like honestly, I didn't deal with a lot of tangling at the nape of the neck, I would say, until maybe I would say like the second week. And mind you, after the second week, I was pretty much over the way the hair was at its natural state, and I wanted to straighten it just to kind of see how long it can make this hair last. And I genuinely was interested in how this hair was going to behave once it was straightened. I actually like the unit more that is straightened than when it was curly. Like it doesn't clump up as much, it's not crazy. I definitely feel as though after like a week or so, the curls did start to clump up, kind of like, I mean, I'm not really that surprised. It's all synthetic units that have like that curly-esque wave pattern, it does clump up, but like the clumping, I was like, oh no, like one piece would be like here, and then the rest of the hair would be like here, and then you can see the clear line, and no, I just didn't like that. So I went on ahead and straightened it. This hair was not hard whatsoever to straighten, so I was very happy with that. Again, the main issue I had was the tingling at the nape of the neck when I was combing through the hair and straightening it. I would definitely say with this wig, like if you're working like a regular 9 to 5 like I do, I would definitely I prefer to use a hard bristle brush with this hair because I feel like it definitely does help with the frizziness. This hair does frizz. I remember Freebie Rome, she did comment on my initial review on this wig, and she did say that she did experience a lot of frizzing. Now at first when I was wearing the wig, like the first couple days, it wasn't really bad. But then I was like, once she pointed it out, I'm like, yeah, I see what you're talking about. I see what you're talking about. So what is straightened, the frizz is actually a lot less than what it is. But once in a blue moon, when I do start to see the hair frizzing a little bit, all I have to do is just brush over it really quick. And it just looks super silk and smooth like it does now. Again, and mind you, this is me quick running my flat iron through it in the morning, and mind you, now it's like 11 something at night. I've been up since like 6:30, 7 o'clock this morning, so that's very impressive. So all in all, the hair isn't too bad. I would definitely just say the shedding is a little annoying, but again, it's not like it's shedding throughout the day, so that's good. As long as you don't touch it, you should be fine. But the tangling at the nape of the neck is very annoying, and the ends are starting to look just a tad bit crazy. But again, throw that hair in some hot boiling water, let it sit for a little bit, and you should be fine. Now going on with the pros. Now technically this didn't really change, because why would it? But again, the parting space that you get on this hair is absolutely ridiculous. Like, I love the parting. I love how you have so much parting space in this unit. I'm not trying to do too much because I'm just planning on wearing this hair in the middle part for the next couple days. If you guys watched my last video that I uploaded when I did like a prom inspired eyeshadow look, I did have this hair in its straight and natural state, and I had it up in like the little ponytail situation, which is very nice. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hair, a lot of questions, so thank you guys. You know, shout out for you guys for showing me love and all that stuff. But yeah, overall the wig is fine. I would definitely rate this wig, I would say like a 7 out of 10. The main reason why I rate it so high is just because of the fact that how good the parting space is and how gorgeous the hair looks freshly flat ironed and done up. But again, it's not a wig that you need a flat iron every single day, but I would say like every other day, make sure you go through and flat iron it. You don't have to do like super small sections or nothing like that, but again, just go over with the flat iron and you should be fine. All in all, do I feel like this wig was worth $50? If you're willing to work with it, like if you're one of those people that are extremely lazy and you just want a wig that you can just plop on and go, this may or may not be the wig for you. Again, you don't need to put Got2b glue gel on this hair. I currently don't even have this hair gelled down and it's still laying pretty flat. I did just quick put combs in it because again, I was dead about it. I had my wig off, I was about to take my makeup off, and I'm like, oh crap, I never sat down and did the update. So there's no Got2b glue gel on this hair right now, nothing like that. So you don't technically need to do a lot of work with it. But I would definitely say after like 4 to 5 days, you're gonna have to do a little something. Like you have to do something. Like you can't just expect to be able to plop this hair on and it's gonna be fine. Like you're gonna have to put at least a little bit of work into this wig. Once you start, like especially if you're wearing it every day, you're gonna have to put work into it. I personally have loved the experience that I've had with this wig, mainly because it has made me realize how much I want to actually start getting into more human hair units and like human hair lace wigs, which I will be filming a separate video about that particular topic because that's a whole nother video in itself. But you guys, it's gonna be like an information / rant video, so definitely check that out once it's up. But for the time being, yeah, so if you're somebody that, you know, you've had absolutely no experience with lace frontals, no experience with using Got2b glue gel and, you know, parting your hair in different spots and all that other stuff, I would definitely recommend getting this wig just to try it out, just to see, because it's like, say you look at all these Instagram videos and all these YouTube videos and you're like, oh, the hair looks super nice, I want to do that, but you're someone like me who you don't really have like a salon or a shop you can go to install the wig for you, and you have to do it yourself. So this is like a good way to kind of test, like, all right, A, for practice, and B, just to see like, are you really willing to put the work in to upkeep a wig like this, basically? Like, are you willing to glue the hair down? Are you willing to sleep with the hair at night? I've tested that. Do not sleep in this hair. I'm warning you guys. I'm glad I just remembered. Do not go to sleep with this hair. I actually got the Esha lace wig glue, which I was gonna do a review on, but it just ended up being a little crazy, and I don't blame the glue at all. I blame the way my wig is, just because I had a lot of Got2b glue gel residue still on there. So that's gonna be probably later on in the future once I actually do get a human hair lace front wig. But I did test it out with that glue, and I wore it overnight, this hair got so tangled and just so frizzy. It was to the point where I was debating whether or not I was actually gonna throw this hair away. Like, that's how bad it is with me sleeping with this hair. Mind you, I wrap my hair at night. Like, I made sure it was wrapped up, and somehow the satin bonnet kind of just slipped off a little bit, but the hair ended up turning crazy. You know, I had to do a little magic to it to turn it back into this, but I thank God I decided to tough it out and do that, because now it's back to normal, so now it's fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You probably gonna see me wear this wig in a couple more videos of mine, because again, the next wig that I'm planning on reviewing, I'm not 100% sure. That's really my cup of tea, and then on top of that, I'm planning on getting box braids soon, so we'll see. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. Don't forget to click that bell notification button so you guys will be notified every single time your girl posts a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.